Welcome to another episode of Updates from the Zaves News Desk. I am Navya Singh
and I am Shaurya Singh. On February 6, 2026, the KG2 graduation ceremony was celebrated with glory and delight. The event featured heartfelt and vibrant performance by the students. The principal appreciated the students' growth and encouraged them for future success. Certificates were conferred to the graduating students.
The supporting staff of St. Xavier's School enjoyed a refreshing two-day tour to Pachmadi, surrounded by scenic beauty and a peaceful environment. All the members got an opportunity to relax and rejuvenate. The trip strengthened their bond, making it a memorable and enjoyable experience for all.
The board examination for classes 10th and 12th were conducted smoothly, and our school was honored to serve as one of the examination centers. All necessary arrangements were ensured a fair and disciplined environment.
Our school hosted the Archbishop Pascal Topno Memorial Cricket Match inaugurated by His Grace Sebastian Durairaj, the Archbishop of Bhopal. The event saw enthusiastic participations from the Archdiocese of Bhopal zone, with 7 men's team and 3 women's team competing in great sportsmanship. The tournament was successfully mentored by the principal, Reverend Father Leo Babu, and coordinated by Mr. Sachin Swami. The St. Xavier staff proudly emerged as winners in both the categories.
The students of class 11th went on an exciting excursion to Goa from February 12th to 17th, 2026. A total of 62 students and 6 staff members enjoyed the scenic beauty and educational experience. The tour, organized by Nagpal Tour and Travels, was enriching and memorable for all.
Women's Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm. The occasion served as a meaningful platform to acknowledge the dedication, strength, and invaluable contribution of the staff to the school community. A series of vibrant cultural programs added colors to the celebration. The event concluded with a fellowship meal, fostering a spirit of togetherness, gratitude, and mutual respect beyond the day-to-day routine.
The school auditorium witnessed a significant technological enhancement with the installation of a modern LED backdrop panel, which was inaugurated by Chief Guest Reverend Father Thomas Philip. This addition is said to elevate the overall presentation quality of school events, assemblies, and cultural programs. The high-resolution display will enable dynamic visuals and making event more engaging and impactful.
The managing committee meeting was conducted successfully with the presence of all its esteemed members. The meeting provided a platform for in-depth discussions on institutional development, academic progress, and future initiatives. Important decisions were taken to further strengthen the school's vision and operational effectiveness. The collaborative approach of the members reflected their shared commitment to excellence and holistic growth.
The in-house final examination for various classes were conducted in a smooth and well-organized manner, ensuring a fair and disciplined environment for all the students. The evaluation process was carried out diligently, leading to timely preparation of results.
The result was declared on 25th March. It was a meet of cheers and tears of joy from students, while parents beamed with pride as they celebrated their children's hard work.
From the past many years, St. Xavier's has been successfully organizing summer camps for the students. We are proud to announce that this year too, the institution has taken up the task to motivate children to a healthy lifestyle. Kindly check the school website for more details. With this, we come to the end of the bulletin.
We will be back with some more exciting news.
Till then, goodbye.